Good morning, Meteorologist Ryan Hoke here with you with a Saturday edition of the Hokey video blog. Hope you guys are staying warm and inside this morning because, it has been a winter wallop across Kentuckiana. We've had between 2 and 3 inches of snow in a lot of places, and it all took place between a very small period of time, so that's why the streets deteriorated so quickly, and that's why a lot of folks are being urged not to go out on the roadways until we can get some of that melting, some of that sunshine in here as we go into latter parts of the day. Let's show you the current satellite and radar view, give you a bearing on what we're seeing right now. The snow has pretty much exited the Louisville area at this time. We've got snow still ongoing south of the Louisville Metro, still up here near Carroll County as well, but that is exiting very quickly, and this is going to be pushing off to the south and east as we go throughout the next few hours. It is very possible that we see a few little snow showers kind of develop back here towards Indy and move on into the area as we go throughout the rest of the morning, but it's not going to be a big deal. This won't be an accumulating snow, much like we had this morning. So the main big snows, they're pretty much finished for us here in Louisville, and folks to the south, you guys will be done in short order this morning. So let's talk about what's going to be happening as we go throughout the rest of the weekend. Today we get the sunshine back. Temperatures only get into the lower 30s. I have a high of 31 degrees this afternoon. Then, as we go into tomorrow morning, a warm front moves through, and this is going to be associated with an area of low pressure. It'll be spurring some snow to our north and Indianapolis for weighing on up and toward the Lake Erie area up here. I think some of our northern counties may get skimmed by this, at least some snow showers. Can't rule it out closer to the river as well, but I don't think this is going to be a big deal or really an accumulating snow for that matter. So, not a huge deal for Sunday morning. That's good news there. Some warmth, if you can call it that, moves in as we go into Sunday afternoon. How warm are we talking? 39 degrees. That's it. It's going to be a struggle to get us out of the 30s in most locations just because of our snow cover and the fact that this warm air advection we'll be seeing, this movement of warm air into the area, won't be all that strong, but we'll be watching that to see how warm indeed we do get. Not looking like a big deal, though. That moves on to the east, and here comes the next cold front. Could spur some snow showers as we go into your very early Monday morning. That's something we'll watch. Right now, it doesn't look like a very big deal. Light accumulations, if any. This cold front, though, you're going to feel it. Woo-wee, here it comes. Moves on into Kentuckiana. Gives us some of the coldest temperatures we've seen this month. I think we have a shot at seeing a temperature on Tuesday morning colder than what we saw during the big Arctic blast polar vortex thing back earlier this month. There's a chance of that. I don't think it'll be as long-lasting if we do go below zero, but certainly the cold temperatures will last for at least 2 or 3 days. Now, that's going to be a pretty good cold snap for us. Here's some of the data coming out of the GFS model for Tuesday morning. You'll see it has us at -5 here in Louisville, Seymour at 10 below zero in Munfordville. I think this is a little overdoing it, but somewhere between -3, -4 is possible here in Louisville. So if you're going to send the kids out to school on Tuesday morning, bundle them up because they are going to need every layer of clothing that you can certainly put on them if they're out at the bus stop during that time. Let's talk about some longer range things, shall we? So here's this cold batch of air moving in as we go throughout Monday morning. You can see that we've got this lobe of the polar vortex up here kind of spinning around, and that's going to be moving into our neck of the woods as we go throughout your Monday. And then things flatten out somewhat. Look at this. By Monday, this big trough that we have over the eastern part of the nation goes back up into Canada. We've got more of a zonal flow situation here across the U.S., meaning that we'll have more progressive systems moving through, and that the cold snap that we've had will be going away. And there's a possibility that this is being overdone by some of the models, but I think the takeaway here is that we will have a pattern change as we go into the first part of February. Possibly some warmer temperatures, but I still do think that we'll remain overall colder than average as we go throughout the first couple weeks of February. We'll just have to see how cold we do get and if there is some relief in sight. As far as snowstorms, not seeing any of those in the forecast right now, but something we're keeping an eye on since pattern changes do tend to breed active weather like that. So we'll be watching that. We'll be watching the snow moving out of the area this morning. Be careful out there. If you're out and about, want to make sure everybody's safe on their Saturday. This is a great morning to stay inside, get the TV going, maybe watch a movie or something like that, drink some hot chocolate. Sounds like a good idea. I might do that this afternoon. All right, enjoy the snow if you're out there, folks. Otherwise, be safe. We'll see you back here tomorrow morning on Wave 3 News Sunrise, starting at 5 o'clock.